Greetings everyone. I welcome you all for another brief video presentation on the topic data types in Python. Let me let me introduce you to myself. I am Bharath M belonging to Audi section second semester, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. The subject I'm going to present to you in this video, the title of the subject is Introduction to Python Programming, which is a part of the programming language courses. The topic I'm explaining here is about the data types in the Python language. Let me introduce you to this presentation and I welcome you all to this presentation on different data types in Python. Data types are fundamental building blocks in programming languages. In Python, data types determine the type and operations that can be performed on variables. Let's explore the various data types Python offers and their significance in programming. And we will do this through this presentation. Numeric data types are the first type we would be looking. Numeric data types represent numbers and include integers and floating point numbers. Integers are whole numbers without decimal points. Floating point numbers include decimal points and can represent real numbers. Numeric data types are used for mathematical calculations and operations. Let us move on to the next data type, that is string data type. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in a single or double quotes. They are used to represent text and are essential for handling textual data. Python offers various string manipulation methods such as concatenation and slicing. Strings are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once it is created. A string value which is added there or a string which is created is permanent in the Python language. Now let us go on to the next type of data or the next data type, that is list data type. Lists are ordered collections of items enclosed in square brackets. They can hold elements of different data types, including other lists. Lists are mutable, allowing for addition, removal, and modification of elements. They are not same as strings which we saw now. Here, the values which are put inside a list, they can be edited during the program. Common list operations include indexing, slicing, and list comprehension. These three are the operations that can be performed on a list in the Python programming language. Let us move on to the next type of data, the tuples. Tuples are similar to list but are enclosed in parentheses and are immutable. That is, the values which are put inside tuples, they cannot be modified or they cannot be edited one again. Once a tuple is created, it is created permanently. They are used to store an ordered collection of items. Tuples can hold elements of different data types, and their values cannot be changed after creation. Tuples are often used for data integrity and as keys in dictionaries. This is about the tuple data type. Let us move on to the next data type, that is dictionary. Just now in tuples we saw that the tuples are used in dictionary. Now let us see what is dictionary. Dictionaries are key value pairs enclosed in curly braces. They allow efficient retrieval of values using their corresponding keys. Keys must be unique and immutable, that is, it can be either strings, numbers, or tuples, while values can be of any data type. Dictionaries are useful for storing and managing structured data. The next data type is set data type. Sets are unordered collection of unique elements enclosed in curly braces. They're used for tasks that involve membership testing and eliminating duplicates. Sets support mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference. Frozen sets are immutable version of set suitable for dictionary keys. As we saw, dictionary keys need something which is always immutable. That is, the keys of dictionary should not be changed. So, frozen set strings or tuples that are used as keys for the dictionary. Boolean data type. The Boolean data type represents truth values, whether the given statement is true or false. It is essential for decision making and logical operations. Boolean values result from comparison and logical operation. They are often used in conditional statements and loops. Moving to the next one, that is none type. The none data type represents the absence of a value. It is often used to indicate that a variable has no value assigned. None is a singleton object, meaning there is only one instance of it in Python. Functions that do not explicitly return a value actually return none. Moving on to the next data type, that is, or data types end here. Let us look at type conversion, also known as typecasting. Type conversion involves changing the data type of a variable. Python supports explicit type conversion using functions like int, float, or string, etc. Implicit type conversion occurs in operations involving different data types, or known as type coercion. Be cautious while converting between data types to avoid loss of information. When there is a conversion between two different data types, there's at places there can be loss of information, and this has to be carefully checked by the programmer during the writing of his code. Like what is a checking, how do you check these data types? That is, the type function allows you to check the data type of a variable. This instance is used to check if a variable belongs to a specific data type or a tuple of types. Understanding data types is crucial for debugging and ensuring proper functionality. Moving on to the next one, now let us look at some of the built-in functions. Python provides built-in functions for performing operations on different data types. Examples include len for finding the length of sequences, minimum and maximum for finding minimum and maximum values among a given set, etc. These functions enhance the efficiency and flexibility of your code. This Let us summarize the presentation. Python offers a wide range of data types to handle diverse types of data. Each data type has its unique properties and use cases. Proper understanding and selection of data types contribute to efficient programming. Choose the appropriate data type based on the nature of your data and the operations you intend to perform. Let us going on for the last slide. That is conclusion. Let me conclude this presentation by looking at this. Data types are the foundation of programming in Python. They determine how data is stored, manipulated, and processed. A clear understanding of data type is essential for writing effective and a robust code. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you for joining this presentation on different data types in Python. I hope you gained valuable insights into the significance of data types in Python programming. Let's meet again in the next video. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being through the video.